Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to teach you how to make your own flipbook with our bird stamps. If you haven't checked out our latest video on carving the stamps from rubber, click on the right hand corner for more information. First of all, you need to trim 10 pieces of A4 paper to a pile of A6 paper and use a paper clip to clip all the paper together. Now take out an ink pad with the color you like. We start our flipbook from the bottom so you can see through all the pages. Make sure you start stamping the sequences from number 1. You can decide where your bird is going to enter the page. You can choose from the side or the bottom. Make sure the first page you only show the head of the bird instead of the whole body because you want to show the movement gradually. Now we move to the next page. This time I will still use the first stamp, but move the bird ahead, overlapping the one on the last page. The third page, we will use the second stamp. And place the number 2 bird ahead of the last bird, but still overlapping it. Similar to the last page, on the 4th page, you use the third stamp and overlapping half of the last bird, and on the 5th page, we use the 4th stamp, and so on. You can simply continue this process until the bird flies out of the page. Then you can re-enter the bird on the left-hand side in different directions. You can experiment how the bird goes across the page as well. The idea is using the overlap to create the illusion that the bird is flying ahead. If you place the bird too much ahead from the last bird, you will find the movement not as smooth. But if you're overlapping the bird too much, the bird is flying slower. So this depends on how you like it, and you can play around with it as well. You need to repeat this process for at least 30 pages. The thicker you create, the easier for you to flip. The stamp drawings are in a loop, so when you reach the 8th stamp, you can simply return to the first one to continue the cycle. This time, I'm going to exit on the bottom. Now you should test the flip, because we only finished a few pages, so the movement finished very quickly. So this is our tips. If you want to flip it smoothly, you can add more blank pages on the top, and you have to keep repeating to build a longer sequence. You can also add different elements to build your own story. For example, is the bird flying across the sky, a flower field, or chasing a butterfly? You can simply use your drawing skills to enhance the storyline. In this example, I just simply add a name at the end. You can try flipping with different hands. See which hand you feel more comfortable. This is the simplest way to make your flipbook and understand the concept of basic animation. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please comment, like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. We have also prepared different flipbooks we have made in the past. Enjoy!